It's really new.
It's more expressive.
It offers a lot more freedom.
People can listen to us and see our opinions.
I think it's quite helped us outside of it as well.
Grow our minds.
You got to learn how to do different things that you wouldn't normally be able to do and just work with people that you wouldn't normally work with.
Me and Megan weren't as good friends at the start of the year, but we really are now.
People learn the most when they're having fun or they don't even know they're being taught.
Forge is a series of creative workshops that's happened in Tenbury Wells, Bromsgrove and Malvern. Stage 1 of the Forge is all about giving participants the agency and ownership to explore creative activities that they want to engage with the support of a co-creation and engagement facilitator. This is all about acknowledging their interests and allowing them to choose those activities. Through that process, we then bring in creative practitioners who align with the creative activities that those young people have chosen and give them an opportunity to explore those creative activities in more depth.
I think it's really good for them to get out of their comfort zone, try things that they haven't necessarily tried before, and also it's been really interesting to see them in environments where they haven't necessarily known fellow students before. So obviously it's challenging for them at first, for them to meet new people, try new art forms is to me really important, because even if it's not something they go on to do in their career or kind of own time, it's something they've tried. It might influence other things they do as well.
Anything really to get children, especially young children, off of their devices, off the screen time, and actually doing something creatively and interactively is an important thing.
It's really opening up their ideas about the creative industries generally and seeing how many different job offers there can be. I think it's been fantastic for their own character building, for confidence. I mean, I've seen them grow in confidence over the 6 months incredibly. We've been so fortunate, and thank you to Seven Arts for allowing us to have some incredible inspirational artists involved in the project. It's been just incredible, and to see the young people just so excited on a Tuesday at 4 o'clock, to see Chanel and co coming in. It's been great, absolutely great, thank you.